horrific rape and murder case at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata remains in the headlines amid the relentless fight of the city's doctors against the gruesome crime. Some positivity has also emerged. The positivity is derived from collective action and compassion. Let's look at it in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyanki Yadav. Kolkata's very own Mother Teresa once said, "Give your hands to serve and your hearts to love." And the residents of the city she called her home are following it wholeheartedly. As thousands of doctors are near Swasthya Bhavan protesting, there is immense support being extended by the general public. This support has led to the building of an ecosystem as food, sanitation and other basic needs are being wholeheartedly provided to the protesting medical fraternity. According to the pictures that edX Live has access to, and as per the doctors who spoke to edX Live, the doctors have received food, water, fruits, chocolates, snacks, fans, sanitary napkins, biodegradable toilets, among several other things. In addition to the material needs, several medical fraternities are also providing financial support. Amid all the significant elements is the regular provision of fresh homemade food cooked with love by the residents in and around the area. Not only this, several canteens and NGOs have also lent their support to the doctors. Let us hear about the efforts of the general public from the perspective of one protesting doctor in his own words.
So the junior doctors started the protest with very few belongings of their own. There were around 3 to 4 bio toilets and other basic amenities. But gradually, all the important stuffs were provided by different NGOs. Food was being cooked and provided by various canteens like the RG Kar canteen, the Jadavpur canteen. NGOs provided with basic requirements like tissues, P-Safe, Odomos sprays, towels, fans and other stuffs, even sanitary napkins. Bio toilets were added. I think around 10 to 15 bio toilets are there at present. So help came from all corners. A family from Kachrapada, Nodia of West Bengal also provided with food and other important things. So yeah, people have been helping in huge numbers with food and other stuffs which are needed.
While the stalemate between protesting doctors and the Chief Minister continues over live streaming of their meeting, the moral and material support that the protesting doctors are receiving in their fight for justice tells them that they are not alone. That is all from us today. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Mask up and stay safe.